Assalamualaikum students, I'm solving mathematics paper 2 of AKUEB board 2009 for secondary students. This is paper 2, question number 1. The question number 1 that's belong to the composition of a function. There are two functions, f of g of x. F of g of x, part 1, f of g of x. Whatever the function that is written first, we will insert the value in it. Like if 2 into x plus 3, the g of x value will become x. We will insert in this way. In the second part, we will just put the value of x, which is 2, in the above equation. Like 2 into 2 having power 2 plus 3 equation, and the right word is the function. It will become like when we will solve f of g of 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 having power 2 is 4 plus 3. The absolute value will be 8 plus 3, which will be 11. It's the second part solution of question number 1. Now come on the third part of the question. It's an inverse function, g inverse of x. It's a question mark. According to the basic knowledge, we know that y is equal to g of x. If we will do, or we will write it down x, it will be written in this way. X is equal to g inverse of y. Now, we know that g of x is equal to 2 having power x. It means that we can put in this equation like y is equal to g of x value is 2 having power. Like we will write this one. And in the very next step, y is equal to 2 having power x. We know that whenever we want to make x as a coefficient, we need to apply the ln on both sides. When we apply ln on both sides, the third law of the log property will be used. The power will become coefficient. Means this is power. It will become coefficient. S become x ln of 2. X is equal to ln of y upon ln of 2 will be the value of g inverse of y. Just see here. Like this one. It means that g inverse of y is equal to ln of y upon ln of 2. In the last part, we will insert the value in place of x, which is 2. The final answer will be written in the form of x only because the question is given in the form of variable, which is x. Like g inverse of x, which is equal to ln of x divided by ln of 2. And then we will use here the value 2, which is given in the question. Here we will use 2. When we will use 2, it will become ln of 2 divided by ln of 2. It will be 1. It means that the fourth part solution, g inverse of 2, which is equal to 1. I hope it is clear. This is the question number 1.